Welcome to Teaching with Technology. I'm Judy and this is Janet, and we've decided to learn more about Smartboard. Both of us have used Smartboard as a projector, and we would like to learn how to use it and utilize it to more of its capacity. So there is a Smartboard in every room here at MDCC Woodstock. And when you come into whichever room you're lecturing in, you may need to bring your computer and hook it up. In this room, there's already a computer.
That has the new attachment for Smartboard here.
And
So it's already all orientated and hooked up, so you do not need your computer.
so, but if you do want your documents off of your computer, you will need to have them on a flash drive or download them to public and bring them up on the computer to access them here. So when you come in this room and you would actually turn on the Smartboard, turn on the computer, and log in under your username for MDCC. Smartboard systems have been around for over 20 years now. They range from $4,000 to around $10,000. And once they're hooked up and registered, it gives you access to their software. And today, we're going to show you guys how to use the software called Notebook. It has some good interactive activities in there.
So I don't know if you can see here, but there's a little toolbar on the side. It has a black pen, a red pen, highlighter, your eraser, your mouse. There's the orient button that I was talking about, which we will not need because of this new piece of software. And there's Notebook, which I'll press here, it takes a few minutes. So we're going to go up to View, and we're going to go into the gallery. Okay, gallery sampler here. And there's a whole list from administration, evaluation, there's arts, history, geography, math. We're going to go down to science and technology. And we're going to go into interactive and multimedia because there's pictures, there's 3D objects, notebook files, and pages. So we'll go in here. And as you can see, a host of pictures come up. So there's breathing, respiration, bear, frog, guts, measuring speed. We're going to go into structure of the heart. You double click, it brings it up here. So therefore we have two choices. We have click and reveal, or we have drag and drop. So we'll go to the drag and drop, and it comes up like this. So it's very interactive for the audience. You can have your students come up. You can have them place them like we would go to aorta. You just press, and you bring it up. You could go to pulmonary vein. Let's just randomly put them in. Judy, we're just,
It's only allowed one at a time.
only allows one use at a time. Did you put the last one in, Judy? So, what we can do there is, we can actually go in using a red pen and we could mark them, or we can actually get the eraser, erase it. Or we can go down here and say check. And if you look here, it says, good job, try again. So we can reset it, we can solve it. It's very interesting and very interactive. We can highlight, I could reset it. And highlight here and say, I want the students to pay particular attention to those two areas. It's very interactive. And here you need to click on this little paper clip here when you're moving between articles on the toolbar. So we'll choose the eraser, and you can erase. So we were quite impressed, Judy and I. So we'll reset it. And if I want to go back, if I want to change screens, there's a little green arrow here that I can just go back. I can come up here. It takes me back here if I want to choose something different and we need to exit out of there. And that's it for Smartboard. We need to delete, and that was, we need to delete it there. So we can go back in and choose something else. We can go to math. It's very interactive. Great, this one seems to be more for the elementary.
Yeah, I find that the activities that we have right now are directed towards, younger,
Generation.
the younger school age.
Children.
But, the heart is really good for.
Yeah, there's a heart.
anatomy, Yeah.
There's this one too, the breathing and respiration. And it's kind of like the operation game. You can place it in.
So there is some anatomy, which would be great to use when you're teaching anatomy course or when you're teaching medical terminology.
So it's very interactive, very interesting.
So, was there something else you wanted to say? No. So to learn more about Smartboard, you can YouTube Smartboard. We found a lot of different YouTubes on different software and technology. And also a great website, www.smarttech.com, has a lot of really good information on Smartboard and some videos to watch, and it also offers courses,
Yeah.
online courses.
Educational courses on how to utilize Smartboard.
Exactly. So, and that's our little display.
Thank you.